Hello and thank you for clicking on this video. In this video I just want to make a quick announcement, and that is that the Swift forum is officially live. Now, I haven't talked about this forum before, so now here it is. There is this forum now called the Swift forum where you can ask any Swift related question you like and get help from other peoples over at the forum, including me. So right now it's only me there, a bit lonely over there, so I would greatly appreciate if you could head over to the Swift forum, register yourself there, maybe introduce yourself, or just ask a question if you have a question, or just be registered so that you're ready to ask a question when you stumble upon a problem with your project or app or anything like that that you want an answer to. So this is the ideal place for anyone who's making an app, who's developing, who's following one of these videos on this channel, and they encounter a larger problem. Then it's over at the Swift forum where I'm hanging out, and also a bunch of you will be hanging out so that we can help each other out here. Because the YouTube section is great, it's awesome for answering quick questions, but we need something more robust if we want to answer bigger questions. And also the positive, the great aspect with the forum is that it's also searchable. The Swift forum is also searchable, so that you can search for previous answers or topics discussed, so that you don't need to ask a question twice. One thing though that I would encourage you to do, and that is to write the question as general as possible. So not my variable dog doesn't want to pause to function, anything, you know, like that, very specific. What I would encourage you to do is to write it more general, like how do I call a function, or you know. What I'm trying to say is that it would be awesome if you could make your question general so that other people are able to search it up and find the answer to a similar problem. So now I will jump over to my laptop and I will just show you how you can set up your account and post a new thread. So the first step from here is to head over to theswiftforum.com. And here you are being presented with the forum. As you can see, I've already posted my first post, Hello World. And in order for you to be able to comment or create a new topic, you will have to log in or create an account. So you just click right here, and then you can fill in with your username, for example, Sebastian, email, sebastian@test.com, and then you can fill in with a password. I agree to the terms, join. And when you click on join, you will create an account. And then as you can see here, if you first head over, this is the main page. So here you will see all of the recent posts. And if you have a question or inquiry, you can just click right here and you can type in your post. So for example, test, and this is a test. And then just select Swift 3, which is probably the version you will be programming in right now. And then you can just click on create topic. And then your thread will be posted right here. So if you now head back over to home, your thread will be displayed here. And you can then go in and check the answers that you get there. Also, if you were to click on my post or any other's post, you will see here you can type in a reply. For example, hello, exclamation mark. I can click on reply. So now I have replied to that post. I can also go ahead, if you want to message me directly, you can just visit my profile and you can click on contact me. And that way I will receive this as a mail, so you can contact me or any other user via mail by visiting their profile and then clicking on contact me. So if you have a personal question, you can use this option. If you have a more general question, then I would encourage you to do this right here, so that everybody can contribute and answer your questions or get their questions answered. Now one more thing that I wanted to show is that if we now head back over here, you can, for example, click on follow or unfollow, whatever you want. So I'm now going to click on follow, and then if I now head back over to the home page, I can check out all of the threads that I'm currently following. The next thing that I just quickly want to show you is that if we head over to the profile, you will be able to customize your profile, so edit profile. You will be able to add a little bio, your display name, location, email, and links to your social profiles. You can also add a picture, which always looks nice when your thread is displaying instead of this generic one. And then, of course, if you have an answer and you want to check if it you have a question and you want to check if it already has been answered, you can just go over to the search bar and click on, for example, test, which was the post we just created, and it will appear right here. So that is the gist of the Swift forum. Now, if you haven't signed up yet, I would encourage you to do so. So thank you for watching. I will leave the link to the Swift forum in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next thread, or your next thread, or wherever we are going to meet on this vast and grand forum. Thank you for watching.